The Samsung S26 Ultra sets a new benchmark for ultra-premium smartphones, blending futuristic hardware with Samsung's signature design finesse. It features a jaw-dropping 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display, offering crystal-clear visuals, rich colors, and fluid motion that's perfect for everything from gaming to high-definition content creation. At its core, the device is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, paired with a staggering 32 GB of RAM and a massive 2 TB of internal storage, making it a multitasking and media powerhouse that can handle anything thrown at it. Battery life is just as impressive, thanks to a robust 7,500 mAh cell that ensures all-day usage and then some, with 90W fast charging that gets you back in action in record time. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature of the S26 Ultra is its revolutionary 400MP main camera, a leap forward in mobile photography that captures detail beyond what the human eye can see. Whether you're shooting in daylight, low light, or pushing the boundaries of professional content creation, this camera sets a new gold standard. Altogether, the Samsung S26 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's a technological marvel built for users who demand nothing but the absolute best in display, performance, battery life, and imaging.